Welcome to Malcom X 34 New York, a student haven designed with elite taste, only for you. These lovely 4- and 6-bedroom apartments featuring cozy private bedrooms and shared bathrooms come with a warm bed to rest after hectic classes, ample closet space, and a spacious dining room to dine in with roommates. You deserve more than just the basics, which is why your rent covers all utilities plus monthly breakfast and weekly cleaning services. Say goodbye to laundromat runs with laundry facilities on site. Hit the action-ready gym to stay fit, catch a movie in the cinema room without leaving home, or mingle with friends in the community lounge for extra fun. Also, check this out. You're only minutes away from City College of New York and Columbia University, so campus is always within easy reach. Wander around the Big Apple seamlessly with buses from St. Nicholas Avenue or the subway at 125th Street. So, secure your unforgettable NYC University experience at Malcom X 34 in New York via amberstudent.com now.